Welcome. In today's video, we're going to show you how to find your archived posts on Facebook using your PC. Whether you've archived posts to keep your feed tidy or just want to revisit old content, this new update makes it easy to access your archived posts. Let's get started. Step 1. The first thing you need to do is open Facebook on your PC. Just go to the website and log into your account if you're not already signed in. Step 2. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the page. There, you'll see your profile picture. Click on it to navigate to your profile. Step 3. After clicking on your profile photo, you'll be directed to your profile page, where all your posts, photos, and shared content are displayed. Step 4. Now, look for the 3 dots, near your profile picture or next to the Edit Profile button. Click on the dots and then select the option that says Archive from the drop-down menu. Once you're in the Archive section, you'll see all the posts you've archived over time. It's a great way to find old posts without them cluttering up your feed. From here, you can choose to unarchive them or even delete them if you no longer need them. And that's it. You've now learned how to find archived posts on Facebook. It's a simple process, and it's perfect for managing your old content. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to like this video, leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.